There's a lot of talk in this country about the federal deficit, but if we hope to meet the moral test of our times, if we hope to eradicate child poverty, or AIDS, or joblessness, or homelessness, or any other of the issues that were chronicled before I came on stage, then I think that we are going to have to talk more about the empathy deficit, the ability to put ourselves in somebody else's shoes, to see the world through somebody else's eyes, New paragraph, dash. From a speech by Barack Obama in 2006, 2 years before he was elected President of the United States, New paragraph. Hello, it's all in the mind on RN, I'm Lynn Malcolm, New paragraph. Today I'm in conversation with Sir Peter Bazalgette, a British television executive responsible for a range of lifestyle programs over a period of 40 years, including the reality TV show Big Brother, New paragraph. He was chair of the Arts Council England between 2012 and 2016, when he got thinking about the role the arts can play to nurture empathy in today's society, New paragraph, dash. There was this phrase, open quote, empathetic citizens, close quote, and what we meant by that was the way the arts tell stories, tell stories of the human condition that help us understand other people's point of view, It helps us put ourselves in other people's shoes, which is a working definition of empathy, So I got interested in that as a really, if you like, intrinsic value of arts and culture, New paragraph. And then secondly, I was asked by the government to chair something called the Holocaust Memorial Foundation, to build a Holocaust memorial in central London, We've never had one, And I got to meet all the survivors of the Nazi concentration camps, most of whom are in their late 80s and early 90s now, And when they told me about their experiences in Germany in the middle of the 20th century, I got interested in what it meant to have a society without empathy, New paragraph, dash. Peter Bazalgette went on to write his latest book, The Empathy Instinct, How to Create a More Civil Society, He reflects on what's gone wrong in some societies in history, like the Nazi Holocaust or the Rwandan genocide,